Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. What's going on in the world of Bitcoin? I want to start out right here. This is the crypto total market cap. Now, a lot of people are looking at this chart thinking that it's very bullish, or I should say this is the market cap without Bitcoin and ETH. We are essentially at the same level we were at the end of 2021. Now, this does include stablecoins, but nonetheless, a lot of people think we have a long way to go. There are a lot of advancements this time around to this cycle, including, again, all the institutional money that has the green light and will have the green light with the Clarity Act that'll be passed very soon. The big coin for the day is still crypto.com. They are doing incredibly well off the news of partnering with Trump and creating a treasury. They are doing very, very well. I have a feeling this will come down soon. I don't see this rallying super high. I mean, crypto.com is pretty far away from its all-time high. I'll take a look right here. It almost hit $1 back at the end of 2021. It's down 71% still. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we are still at around 111K. Taking a look at ETH, $4,400 or so. Really not much going on with altcoins either. Kind of flatline today. The big news, which I want to get into, is what went on with Nvidia. But guys, if you are trading any of these coins, Bitcoin, ETH, altcoins, doesn't matter, you may want to check out the link below to BTCC. Huge sign-up bonus, huge bonus on the first-time deposit, and also really low trading fees. I use them myself. I like it for trading specifically. So if that's you, check it out using my link below. So they had their revenue forecast, and it is decelerating. Nvidia shares fell around 2% in extended trading, actually quite a bit more now. We're at around 3%, even though their sales of around $54 billion in the fiscal third quarter was in line with the average Wall Street estimate. So it's not like they even underperformed massively, but nonetheless, their stock price is down. But this is interesting, right? The company also approved an additional $60 billion in stock buybacks. So there are some Bitcoin treasury maximalists that are saying, why not take that 60 bill, put it into Bitcoin, put it on their balance sheet? There are some people that agree with that, some people that think that's a dumb idea. Why would non-Bitcoin companies put Bitcoin on their balance sheet? There's a real argument for that. Curious your thoughts below if you feel strongly about that. Should just like a normal tech company put Bitcoin on their balance sheet? I mean, it would help our bags. It would help Bitcoin go up in value, right? If Nvidia did that. But is it their place to do that? Or should they be participating in more stock buybacks? Let me know your thoughts. And this is an interesting story, saying that Gemini recently flipped Coinbase on the App Store charts. Now, I love Gemini. I use their credit card almost every single day. I highly recommend checking it out. I think it's just for the US, not quite sure, but link below for that if you want to check that out. But a real classic top signal is when Coinbase gets really high in the App Store. Taking a look right here, we can see that not too long ago, a few days ago, Gemini flipped Coinbase. So Gemini is doing really well, which is awesome. And finally, a story from Jack Mallers talking about how he thinks things are going to go for crypto.
Bitcoin's a $500 trillion asset in the making. These other technologies and crypto coins are maybe going to replace an Amazon.
All right, he thinks Bitcoin is a $500 trillion asset in the making. How big is the market cap of Bitcoin? Well, right here, the market cap is around $2.2 trillion. So let's say that's around a 200 to 250x is what Jack Mallers thinks the market cap of Bitcoin will do. That's putting Bitcoin over $20 million. And that has been a number that has been floating around for a while, looking at the total addressable market for people that are saving money in different places like art, real estate, bonds, etc. That's a number that's, come around a lot. And at the very beginning of Bitcoin, we had some of the creators of Bitcoin or the original people in the community saying that Bitcoin's going to $1 million. It's pretty funny. This is when Bitcoin was like, less than a cent. So we'll see what happens, guys. A little bit of hopium, a little bit of interesting news with Nvidia. Let me know your thoughts about Nvidia adding Bitcoin to the balance sheet. Now, if Nvidia keeps going down, I could see this pulling the entire NASDAQ down as well. And unless Bitcoin really has a decoupling moment, I could see what Nvidia does or how it performs affect Bitcoin and crypto possibly. So we'll see what happens, guys. Hope you guys are well. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.